daughter gets married, you lose your daughter. No, I don't. I gain a son. I don't lose my daughter, but I gain a son. And I'm proud to call you my son-in-law.
I can think of no one else that I'd rather have join our family or who would be a better wife to Ori than you. You are generous, selfless, loving, and kind. Thank you for making my brother so happy.
We wish you a lifetime of silly pet names, Tonchki and Orshki, and gentle giant pets.
You brought out the best in him. He's happier, he's lighter, he's more empathetic, he's just better with you. And I didn't know you before you met Ori, but you're pretty damn great as is.
Tonya and I would never be as close as we are today if it weren't for you, Ori. It really wasn't until Ori came into her life and really made an effort to bring us closer together that we got as close as we are today. I'm really looking forward to making more memories with you and really happy to spend some more time with you and the boys playing some absurdly high-stakes beer pong.
We know that your home will be filled with so much love and laughter and music and loudness thanks to Ori. It'll be impeccably clean thanks to Tonya, and you'll never run out of snacks or treats or good meals, and we can't wait to be a part of it all.
This marriage proves to me that married life doesn't have to be boring. And more importantly, it secures for me a second home with two people who love me the only way they know how, unconditionally.
One night to be confused, one night to speed up truth. We had a promise made, 4 hands and then away. Both under influence, we had divine sense to know what to say. Mind is a razor blade to call for hands of above, to lean on. Would it be good enough for me?
I can say wholeheartedly now that I do not have to worry about making sure that you feel loved and safe and that you have enough of that for yourself, because I know Ori has that for you. I know that Ori will always love you and make you feel warm and safe and remind you that you deserve that.
So Ori home is anchored in the Jewish tradition. Tanya recognized the importance of home for Ori, and as such, she took a big undertaking in converting into Judaism to join Ori home and keeping the harmony. Tanya, we recognize the effort We appreciate it, and we welcome you into our home in Orion.